Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. We are doing a cleaning and decluttering video. I am decluttering and cleaning out my lower cabinets in the kitchen, and this is an exciting video as it is in collaboration with my sweet friend Tamera. I am going to go ahead and let her introduce herself here, but first, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video.
Hey you guys, my name is Tamera. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 3 boys. Over on my channel, I do a lot of cleaning videos that I absolutely love. I share grocery hauls with meal ideas. I am also dabbling in some vlogs that I'm having a lot of fun with. So if you like that type of content, I would love for you to come over and check out my channel and subscribe.
Tamera, I am so excited to be doing this collaboration with you, my friend. You inspire me, you are a beautiful mama, and I get so much from watching your videos. So, with that being said, to my subscribers, do not forget to head on over to Tamera's channel. Her video and her channel will be linked in my description box. Please go watch her. You guys will fall in love just like I have. If you guys are coming over from Tamera's channel, please know I am so excited to have each and every one of you. I would absolutely love to chat it up in the comments. I love building new relationships with so many different people. I feel like strangers are the key. Obviously in a healthy way, obviously not bad guys, yada yada, I'm a little wackadoo. Either way, you get me. Show me that you are coming over from Tamera's channel with an orange heart emoji. Tell me a little bit about yourself. That way we can get to know each other a little bit more. I would absolutely love it if you guys would take a second, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and show me some love. I'm gonna go ahead and get this video going, but I wanted to let you guys know this video is going to be a super catchy music video. Okay, I failed. It's not a music video. It's a cleaning video with music all the way through for 10 minutes. That way you guys can get done what you need to get done while jamming out to the music and either watching me on your phone, your laptop, or your TV. Let's get started. We are down to the very end of this decluttering and cleaning video. I want to tell Tamera, thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me. I want to thank each and every one of you who watched this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope that you guys like my content. I hope that you love Tamera's content. I would absolutely love it if each of you subscribed, liked, and commented, as well as ringing that bell. Love you guys. Bye.